Okay, welcome to Abdullah FX, aka Trading in Shadows. Today we are going to discuss about how you can lead a chart like a pro. When you open a trading view, you may feel somehow confused about what's going on, especially when it's your first time. But really, reading a chart is a very simple thing. Okay, especially for beginners. Here in the right side of trading view, you have a price here, this is the price, okay, as you see, this is the price. Here at the bottom, here we have time or period. Here here we are in h4 time frame. This means that here we have 28th. Those are the dates. Okay. Another thing I have to tell you, we have many or more than one type of a chart. We have a line chart, we have a bar chart, we have a candlestick chart. Okay, as you see, this is a candlestick, candlestick chart. Okay, this is a trade. I have already taken this trade. Okay, I'm waiting for this trade to go up here. This trade has already been taken in a GBP GPY. Okay, as I was saying that you have many different types of charts. This is a candlestick chart. If you want to change the chart, you click here, you go here. Okay, you choose hollow candles, charts with hollow candles. Hollow candles. Look, if you see hollow candles, inside the candles there is nothing. You can decide to put your own colors. Hollow candles, it's candles where there is nothing inside, no color. That's what you call a hollow candles. Okay, it's a candlestick chart still, but with a hollow or with no color. So here it's you who decide which colors to use. Okay, and also you can click back here and you go to decide what we call here you can even choose the bar chart. Okay, you see it's not clear. That's why the mostly or widely used chart is a candlestick chart, which is very clear. Okay, this is another type of chart. Okay, third type of chart is called a line chart. This is a line chart. Let me make it visible in setting. Okay, symbol generally, for example, let me make it like gray. Cool. As you see, this is a line chart. This is a line chart. This is a line chart. Okay, another thing I have to tell you is that candlestick have opening, close, open price and close the price, and the highest price reached by the market and the lowest price reached by the by the market. Let me return back in the candlestick chart so that we can see clearly. Okay, cool. Here you see this is a candlestick. This is a candlestick. Look at this candlestick. Okay, here above here where I'm pointing a cursor, this is the opening price. This is the opening price on the bearish candle, because you have a bearish candle and a bullish candle. The red candles which is going downward is called bearish candle. Okay, this is the opening price. Okay, here above on this week. Okay, look, let me show you. Here is the highest price reached by the market. Okay, down here it's the close price of this candlestick, and this down here also this is the lowest price reached by the market on this candlestick formation. Okay, this is the close of the candle, this is open of the candle, this is the highest price reached by the market, this is the lowest price reached by the market. Okay, and we have two types of candle, two types of chart based on the trend. We have a bearish chart and bullish chart. Okay, we have bullish chart where the price is in uptrend, where the buyers are controlling the market. Okay, let me go in a daily time frame. It's where the chart is very visible. As you are seeing, we are creating high, higher low, higher low, and so on and so on. Okay, this is bullish chart where the market is going in uptrend. Is called bullish chart. Okay, we have another type of chart called bearish chart. Okay, bearish chart is when chart is coming down or is moving downwards, where the sellers are controlling the market. Okay, let us take example in GBP/USD. I think. Okay, cool. GBP/USD, where the market have started. Okay, look, GBP/USD is not clear. Let's go in GBP/NZD, if I remember well. Okay, in GBP/NZD, GBP card. It's not clear here. Let's try BTC/USD. I'm sure BTC/USD is in a downtrend. Cool. As you see, this chart is in a downtrend because it's creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, and so on. Okay, and here there is how we can lead the market, whether we can know if the price is in an uptrend or in a downtrend by creating what you call lower low, lower high, or higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, let's clean those charts. Let us clean the charts and we go deeper to see clearly how it is. Okay, how can I clean this chart so that it can remain with let us see. Okay, cool. I'm trying to clean these screen or these charts so that I get somewhere to write. Okay, cool. This is an empty trading view. I have managed to hide the chart so that I can get where to write in order to present. Okay, only bullish market, as I was saying, we see always initial move. Okay, this is initial move at the first. We see a retracement or a pullback. Okay, we see another second move. Okay, cool. This is a second move managed to break above that our initial move. Okay, this is what you call break of structure. Okay, this is what you call break of structure. This is what you call break of structure. Here we call break of structure. Break of structure. Break of structure. Okay, cool. This price is break of structure. Okay, already after forming this break of structure, we sit tight and wait for the market to return back here. Okay, and then we wait for the continuation. Okay, and after breaking this high created, we still sit tight and wait for the pullback here again, and then we enter for this continuation. Still here we are in a in uptrend market. You see, this is break of structure again, break of structure. This is a break of structure. Okay, in uptrend, this zone is called the support. This zone is called the support, or this level where the structure, where the pullback happens, is called the support on the uptrend. Okay, this is called higher high, this is called lower low. I'm not sure if you are seeing. Let me find another tool which can help us. Okay, maybe this tool can help us. Okay, cool. This which one? Okay, this alone. I'm trying to see if there is a tool which can help us. Here. I'm not seeing it. Let me try to write here. This is higher high. This is higher low. Higher low. This is higher high. This is higher high. This is higher low. This is another creation of higher high. This is another creation of higher low. Higher low, like this, and so and so and so. On the uptrend, this is called this phase or this line here. Okay, I'm not sure if you are seeing this. Okay, let me try. This is called continuation phase. Continuation phase. Where can I get an arrow? Where can I get an arrow? If I can get an arrow, where can I get arrow? My friends, where can I get arrow? Okay, cool. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why. Let me try to write here. This is called the continuation phase. I'm saying this. This is continuation phase. Let me do like this. This is continuation phase. This is break of structure. Okay. Can I change the color of this stuff? Which color can I use in order to make it a little bit different? Okay, red color can it better. Okay, cool. Let me make it red. This is continuation phase. This is pullback phase. Continuation phase. This is continuation phase. Phase. Okay. This is continuation phase again. Okay, cool. This is continuation phase, this is continuation phase, this is continuation phase. Those phases in a red color are called continuation phases, and those phases, okay, are called pullback phase. Those are pullback phase. Okay, let me try to change color so that can be a little bit different. How can I change color? Let me use this color. Okay, cool. This is the pullback phase. Pullback phase. Those are pullback phases, and this pullback too. Pullback phase. This is a pullback phase. Okay. Let me try to make it. Okay, cool. And as you see, there is a thing you call a break of structure, break and retest, Here, the price was managed to break this support. Okay, managed to break this support to create this higher high, and pull back or retraced or pulled back here on this support to form higher low, and then managed to go upward to create another higher high. Okay, and pulled back here to create another phase. Okay, another higher low, as you see, another higher low, and then managed to break it back again to continue in a continuation phase. Okay, to form what we call higher high, another higher low, like and so and so. That's why I said it's a break of structure and the continuation in this model, like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, as you can see, that's where we put our levels here. That's where we put our levels there. Okay, that's where we put our levels. Okay, that's where we put our levels. Okay, I have managed to take that screenshot so that I will send it to my student. I have a student who is a beginner, and I need to show her, she's already, how the uptrend market works. Okay, in a very clear fashion like this. You see, this is an uptrend. I wish I could show you a downtrend also, but before, no, this is an uptrend. Okay, when we need to enter for a buy, always enter on higher low and the target, and the target, for example here, higher an uptrend, we always look for a buy. Here we always look for a buy, and we enter. In order to buy, we enter on a higher low. Always we enter on higher low. Okay, always enter on a higher low. Okay, we always enter on a higher low, and we target another higher high. And here, as you see, if we enter here on this higher low, we target this higher high. Okay, we imagine that the market will continue in upward, and so we exit on the next higher high, and then we here also, and then you see that it's very clear. Let us try to take a clear example on real chart, and we see what we are saying if is very clear. Okay, cool. As you see, guys, I'm going to make a part 2 on the bearish market. This is a bullish market. In order to not make a big video, I'm going to create a part 2 of this market structure, and I will even make a part 3 on the reversal, market. Let us try to take a very clean example on this about this chart. Okay, on the bullish market, let's clean. Yeah, we are going to clean. I think you have managed to take notes if you are a beginner, especially. Okay. Let's return back to our charts. Okay, let us go which chart have a very clean structure. CHF GPY, where are you, chef GPY? I think it's very okay. Cool. CHF GPY, as you see here, CHF GPY, this is a day chart. Okay, this is a bullish chart. Okay, as you see, this is an uptrend chart. This is initial one, break of structure to form higher high, pull back to create higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, formation of higher low, and then we expect the market will keep going up. Okay, this is higher high, the higher high, the one I was saying. This is higher high, this is another higher high, this is another higher high. Okay, this is higher low, this is higher low, okay, this is higher low. Okay, as you see that the market is in a very beautiful uptrend. So most of the time we don't take our entries, or we don't take a trade in a daily time frame. So here we are in a daily time frame where the structure is very clear. We can go in H4 to take an entry, Okay, remember I said that we always take entry on H or on a higher low. We always look for buy. Okay, risk to reward of 3, or can even target risk to reward of 4. Okay, you see that the take profit is here on the next higher high. Okay, and here also you see we have entry here, and we targeted here above also, and this you see that here also we can even target here. Okay, stop loss can make it small, depends to our entry, or put it below this higher low. Always stop loss is put below the higher low. We'll go deeper in this session about stop loss, take profit, and how to strategically put stop loss in a fair value place where you can be stopped out easily in order to reduce the losses. Okay, guys, this is like a little summary of the market structure, how to lead a chart like a pro but in a bullish market. Go in comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you wish the second part or part 2 of this market or of this stuff, you can comment, so that if you find it to be very valuable, I can return back here and make part 2 about the bearish market, and even a part 3 about reversals. Reversals is where many beginners make a lot of losses, or where their accounts get brown. Thank you very much. This is a trading shadow. I'm Abdullah FX. Thank you very much. Okay. Ciao, 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 ciao.